we have our student Vaishnavi. She got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
Hello, I am VAISHNAVI Patil, basically from Vaishnavipattil, and I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science from Marathon Engineering College, Vaishnavipattil. So I have joined PySpiders in the month of July. I have started with training Python under the guidance of Keshav sir. And parallelly I have started my training in SQL under the guidance of Mr. Murli sir. So I have learned like basics from advanced concept, all the things, and boot camps and the mocks helped me very much helped me to improve my communication, as well as they have taught us how to present ourselves in front of the others. So thanks all the trainers who helped me to get my job, and I am always thankful. Thank you.
Okay, congrats. Okay.